Back to our main game here between UST and Ateneo. Caballero on the open hit. Dug up well by De Jesus. Rhea de Maculangan over ball. Oh, and a violation is called. Ateneo ball and Ateneo point. Let's hear it from the Ateneo side this time. Patch, what do you have for us?
Getting that second set, Coach Roger is now emphasizing on maintenance. The intensity and the spirit needs to be maintained, and he highly reminded the girls that we just need to be able to execute our plays dahil nahihirapan sila doon. Another thing that he stressed is attacking the middle of UST. That was the area that killed UST in the previous set, and the last thing that he reminded is to use more combinations. There was an obvious build-up in Ateneo's energy, and it is seen on their faces of the team because of all smiles, and pati si Coach nakukuha pang mag-joke sa huddle. Movianan?
Thank you, Patch Cansana. And actually, it was really a better second set for Ateneo. They're really playing better. So different from the first set.
That's right. And to Coach Roger's point, no, tama, because the main reason why they scored a lot of points in the second set was because they had combination plays. They had variety. Binigay nila sa ibang tao.
When they started their combination plays, doon sila naka-recover, and I think became more confident. Acevedo on the line on her 4th year. Maizo from the back row. Long. Another point for Ateneo. Up now by 2. Well, now so far, Ateneo's dictating the pace of the game. Caballero on the open hit.
Just from the approach, you can see already that there was a bit of hesitation.
Right. As we try to listen in to UST.
Pero wala lang kayo, Spiker. Sino ba yung iniasahan mo?
Amor na nag-iingat ka daw. Magkakamali ka siyang Judy.
Sa ilalim mo bababa, sa ilalim mo pinapalo yung bola? Ha? Pag miss ball, huwag mo agad pasukan, di ba atras ka? Lahat ng ginawa mo sa practice, gawin mo dito. Ha? Iniiba mo eh. Ay, hindi pwedeng ganyan.
Tara. Isa. Bawi. Kaya pa yan.
Doon mo to, big. Huwag mo parang yung big. Ulit din sa'yo. Tsaga.
Caballero being reminded. But minsan may ganyan sa practice. Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng nilalaro. And then, iba talaga sa iba yung game situation. But then again, Caballero, it's on her, I think, 3rd year already. Caballero, off speed. Kainglet. That didn't go over as UST takes point. Ateneo up by 2.
That's right. No time to relax for both these teams. Of course, Ateneo needs to get a bigger lead on UST if they want to make sure na yung pace ng game, no, sila pa rin yung nag-dictate.
And do you think yung in a longer game, in a longer situation, sa game, let's say a 5-setter, mas lamang ang Ateneo?
In terms of endurance, well, Ateneo, from the games that I've seen, itong Ateneo, palaging matibay sa 5 sets.
Plus yung bench factor. What do you
Plus the
think?
bench factor. Ang problem natin dito sa UST, you know that this starting 6 is already the starting 6. May mga nahuhugot naman pa isa-isa, pero again, a lot of players, they lost a lot of players.
Yung nawala nilang players, the usual faces that you see na hinuhugot ni Kutchak, like Hannah Manson, Jack Corrado. Well, Banatikla returns. Amar sits down and decent job from Valamar. This time it's really Banatikla has to step up. A free ball given. Let's see. Banatikla right away gets the play and gets the point.
I think she heard you.
Nice cross-court hit.
That's a point from the bench. Galing pa lang yan, fresh from pahinga.
That was dug up well by the new libero. Dusaran. It's Dancel Dusaran. This time, just too powerful for her. Well, ito si Dancel Dusaran. I saw her play sa palarong pangbansa. Ito na, nasa UST na.
The recruited players. Of course, our coaches go around.
That's true. Alam mo, the key to a successful program really is in the recruitment.
So, yung mga coach masisipag.
Diyan ko makikita.
Oo.
Yung sa mga lip-lip, hinahanap ang mga players. Kainglet to serve for Ateneo and Caballero. Poor reception. Ateneo now up by 4 in this third set. Kainglet on the line. Another sharp serve and it goes in. At the ace for Kainglet. Okay, I think timeout is called. We'll be back after a short break.